Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech CA19-9 ELISA Kit. So as you can see, this is the front view of the Calbiotech box and this is the top view of it. So let me show you the sides of it. As you can see, this is the CA19-9 ELISA Calbiotech Kit. So you can see the catalog number here, CA238T. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry dates, and also see this is a 96 well plate test. And you can find this is a temperature control between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and here's the manufacturing address. You can find it here. So let me show you the other side. So it is manufactured in US. As you can see, it is also temperature controlled. So let me unbox this for you. So at the top you can see there is a IFU brochure for it, and you can see this is the Calbiotech CA19-9 ELISA Kit. You can see the catalog number here, no? CA238T 96 test plate. You can see this IFU brochure here. You can see all these details here. So let me keep this at one side, and after that you can see there is a certificate of analysis. You can see the Calbiotech here, the catalog number, the expiry date, and this is the expiry for all the standards and the accessories which comes with the 19-9 CA ELISA Kit. So let me keep this at one side. Let me keep this here, and after that, you can see this is the Calbiotech streptavidin coated wells. You can see this is a 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So let me keep this here, and so you can see it contains all these different reagents. Okay, so it contains all these different reagents. Let me show you. This is the standard one, and you can see this is the standard 2. This is the standard 3. This is the standard 4. And this is standard 6, and this is standard 5. I think it is misplaced. Let me recorrect it here. Okay, and what are these? These are control 1. These are control 1 and control 2. Control 2, CA19-9 control 2. So let me show you the other reagents. So this is the biotin reagent, and this is the HRP enzyme conjugate. This is the TMB substrate. This is the stop solution, and this is the wash concentrate 20x. So guys, so this is the unboxing of the Calbiotech ELISA CA19-9 So thank you.